Alright, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, my people. And my people, you just continue to subscribe to the channel, continue to share the video them, continue to like, and continue to comment. Make we mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone, and get to work, you know. Me gonna break this down to you. Somebody reach out to me and say, J Progress, I see you do a video about the bad customer service in Jamaica. But you miss out something, J Progress. Them say, J Progress, you do a video and you talk about the supermarket, the stores, the KFC and the Burger King and all them things there. But you miss out a vital thing in a Jamaica with one of the worst customer service. And this place which you miss, J Progress, should be a place we have the best customer service and pay keen attention to anybody who come through them door. The person break down to me and say, J Progress, them go to a particular hospital in a Jamaica and them say the way how the nurse them deal with them and the people them would even start register them from them go the hospital. Them have to look upon themselves good. And when they shit cover them, or them piss up themselves, or them have two honor grow through them head, or them have some big old eyeball like a so in a them head. Because them say them can't believe say human being really deal with human being like that, who come to a place like a hospital to get help. Them there them yard and them take sick. And them did a vomit and a vomit. And we know in Jamaica, or everybody know this. Once you find yourself vomit more than 3-4 times under any form of illness, you have to start think about to take yourself to the hospital. Because first of all, your body is going to start dehydrate. And if you have vomit and certain things and worse, you start seeing blood, you know it's serious. So the first thing you're going to do now, shoot off to the hospital for help. Because this is kind of an emergency case. When they arrive at the hospital, I mean not look out at no particular hospital, so I'm not going to call no hospital name. Because guess what? All of the hospitals in Jamaica are garbage. Our health minister, him no serve no purpose. Him a garbage himself too. Him no fi dey in no parliament. Him no fi have no position. Them fi get rid of our health minister. Because him no serve no purpose at all. Him no have no use. Him no fi represent nothing in regards to health in a Jamaica. Because all of the hospitals in a Jamaica run down. They are all in deplorable condition. 3/4 of them are leak. If you're in the yard, on the hospital bed and a wet up. The nurse them no have no manners and behavior. Them no pay patient no mind. Them deal with it like a dog shit. Them deal with it like you're no human being. When you go there, them ignore you all when you're there on your dying trial. Them ignore you. Make we get back to the story. Go to the hospital because them a vomit certain time and start vomit blood. When them reach at the hospital now, right? You know you have to go to the hospital. Whoever can go to the hospital are worry and afraid because one family member them say, Lord God, you have vomit up yourself, you're weak. You have vomit blood now, so it's serious. Next thing you're all dead. When them go to the hospital, figure register. To make the nurse at the front desk, the reception, know what is the situation. When them go up to the nurse tell them to go back and sit down. People there a long time before them await them. Bearing in mind, not everybody at the hospital have an emergency case. You hear me I say? A man who have vomit and a vomit blood, you don't know what to do him. All them need to do is get a doctor to come at least come. Give him a little assessment to see if it's serious, it's life-threatening or anything. And then they say, well, he can't wait. Nothing wrong with that. Before they even know what the problem is, they run back the person who go to them to make them know say my relative did so I vomit blood and Ray are sitting. And the worst thing, the person will have vomit in the hospital. And them still not pay them no mind. Them your nurse where Jamaica people work hard, pay them tax, and for them get paid. Right? But when you go to the hospital them in Jamaica, it's the worst customer service you can ever buck up on in a health institution. We're supposed to be there to save life and to help people. When you go to the hospital, them nobody no ignore you more than a nurse. If you need you're not dead, a curl up on the ground, anything at all, them not pay no mind. You think a little time people go to the hospital and them a nurse no problem, no all catching a fight? Because them go there with their relative and their relative are dead and them now look upon them. People, many times in Jamaica, die right on the hospital floor, in the reception area. Because them not have the time or the courtesy to even ask what is the problem. Let me see if it's an emergency case or not. To see if we need to deal with you or you can't wait. No. If you come in and are dead and you have 10 minutes left to live unless you see a doctor, before that 10 minutes you have got dead right there on the hospital floor. Because nobody now look upon you. Nurse walk past you go. Nurse walk past you come. Them, if you're not careful, they'll take them lunch break. Go have breakfast. Go have dinner before them even look upon you. In the hospital them in Jamaica. But yet still we have a health minister. We have a health minister in Jamaica. And there is nobody on the face of the earth can tell me say the health minister don't know what going on in Jamaica. With all of them hospital there. Or them treat the Jamaica people them. Or them treat the patient them. First of all, him no give a shit because guess what? Enough of the hospital them run down. Baby mother go to hospital to go have pity them can't find bed. People do operation, them can't find bed to put them. They don't know which ward to put them on. After that, the ward up, they saw leak. If rain fall, you flood out. If you're good on the sick in a hospital and them admit you, anything happen. 3/4 of the people that go to hospital no come out back in, then dead. You go to hospital for them save your life and you're dead. Some of the hospital them come like a murder house in Jamaica. When you go there, you're dead. You have all the people in Jamaica. When nothing to them, you say they can't kill them in the hospital, they say no, they will bear the pain. Them now go there. You say, come and make you go to hospital, they say no, they already dead at them yard. Them now go down at the hospital. Because you waited there for 6 hours as a sick person. In an emergency case, you did it for 6 hours before a doctor see you or a nurse even come check on you. Oh, them check on you is if you pass out on the floor. Unconscious and them thing, they them know them have to look on you now. Me say to one uno already, you know. A whole heap of people dead on hospital floor in Jamaica. The worst customer service, the worst place to go when you're sick and need help is the hospital in Jamaica. Them no business with you. You know how much people pit in the hospital in Jamaica? You know how much baby mother go to hospital in Jamaica and come back empty-handed with no pitney at all? You know how much money go to hospital for a simple little thing and end up dead? You know how much money go to hospital for them dying child we just need an injection and because them ignore them. Because them have said that the person went there before you. Bearing in mind, all that the person do is have a cut on him finger. And them saying did it before you and you didn't have 10 minutes to live. And them no pay no mind, you're dead. And these are the things we address in Jamaica. But yet still we have somebody who represent the health board in Jamaica. Health minister. Why him for? Him no serve no purpose. Him no serve no purpose at all. All of them nurses that we get paid when you see dressed up in a white like them are angel. Them are the wickedest thing you can't think about in Jamaica. Them ask them what I do a text on them phone with them for on the wall that check certain things. Them no care about nobody. Them treat you like a dog. Them treat you like a garbage. If you don't have money to spend. As simple as you see a hospital. Or look like say you hop a top an hour and you can't give them something afterwards. Them now look on you. Jamaica, hospital them need to fix up and the health minister need to go. Believe me when me tell you that.